Guest access lets you provide internet access to visitors without affecting the security of your main Wi-Fi network. It operates as a separate network, ensuring that guest users cannot access devices connected to your primary Wi-Fi. In this video, I will show you how to set up guest access using the web interface. Step 1. Log in to the router's web user interface. We've already created a detailed video that walks you through this process. Please click the link in the upper right corner of this section for step-by-step guidance. Step 2. Once you're on the Linksys router homepage, click Guest Access under Smart Wi-Fi Tools in the left panel. By default, Guest Access is turned off. Step 3 is to toggle on the switch to enable it. Last step is to click Edit, create a guest Wi-Fi name and password, and then click OK to apply the changes. The guest Wi-Fi on your Linksys network is now configured and ready for connection.